Now, 1973, 74, we actually started building wooden boats, like Harry Pickerel, clam boats. And then it emerged to fiberglass clam boats. And it just evolved from fiberglass commercial boats to sport fishing boats. And that's kind of how it started. Someone said, if you love your job, then you've never had to go to work, which is true. I mean, I love what I do, building boats and dealing with boats. Fiberglass boats we built, like I said, early 70s. And the thing about them is they're very consistent. It's either good or bad. If it's bad, it's a bad. Every boat's a bad boat. If it's good, every boat's a good boat. The skill part is in the mold and in the tooling. Once you have the mold, the boat is as good as the mold. There started to become a demand for work boats to be pleasure boats. Now, the difference was they required some things that the commercial guys didn't require. They required rod holders, seating, a couple seats. Commercial guys don't have seats. A little cooler in the console. As times changed and as the demand became greater for boats to be sport boats and the sport fishing became more desirable, we required deep V bottom boats because the deeper the V, the better the boat rides. We built the first deep V 23 in the mid-90s. In the old days, we'd have a drawing of a boat, have blueprints. Then we would loft the hull, which means we would take the blueprints, make them like life-size, and build frames and loft the hull. And then we'd skin the hull. And then after we did that, we'd make a mold. We'd finish it with, all kinds of stuff, Bondo and fiberglass, and then fill it and sand it for weeks and months and years. And that's how we would make a boat. That's how we'd make a plug to make a boat. Today, you draw a blueprint, you have it on a CAD system, you plug it into the computer, CNC machines make the boat, they pump the room full of foam, and they shape it to within a millimeter. It's absolutely perfect. Much better than we could ever do it by hand or by eye or by feel. So the newer boats that are being built, they're all being designed and done like that. We still make molds and plugs for things the old-fashioned way. The hulls, the stringers, and the floors are all fiberglass. The transoms, we still use plywood in because you need it for compression strength. We put plywood under the gunnels and we glass it in for backing plates, for cleats and things like that. We use Cledgecel or ingrained balsa for things up in the foredeck where there's compound curves. So we use different materials for stiffness like that. We only build about 100 boats a year, and we probably sell 25 of them all around. Then we sell another 25 in Maine. We have a dealer in Connecticut. We have a dealer in New Jersey, and in Virginia. And they sell 25, and they sell 25, and then there's another scattered around the place. Besides building boats, we used to do a lot of work for Grumman's when Grumman's was all around. We made a lot of their solar systems. We designed parabolic curves for companies. We built fiberglass speakers for companies. Complicated stuff. So, we've done a lot of different things besides just the boats. We've always built boats, but we've done other contract work too. Because you can make a lot of things out of fiberglass.